There's no more suffering there. Only rest. Just that. And they will bring you into the presence of God and say, "Behold Anna." And the Lord will look upon you with tenderness and say, "Lead her forth into paradise, where she may find rest. I know her life on earth was very hard, and she is weary. Requiescat in pace. Rest in peace."